In this video, we will be focused on Latin nouns. Specifically, we will be focusing on the endings for nouns, the declension of a noun, and the gender of a noun. Please make sure that you are quite familiar with the list of items that you need to be able to know and do when you are finished with this video. Here are the endings which we have already learned. If you do not have your pink chart in front of you right now, please make sure to get it and have it in front of you so that you can fill in all of the new endings that we are going to be learning. Pause the video now so that you can fill in this column of endings on your chart. Listen to the pronunciation of these endings. I, ah. And now I'll go to the nominative plural. I, arum, is, as, is. You'll notice that I am not saying the vocative form because there is no ending listed for the vocative form. There is this abbreviation, S-A-N, which stands for same as the nominative. Vocative case nouns always look the same as the nominative form of the noun. Vocative singular looks like the nominative singular, and vocative plural looks like the nominative plural. There will be one exception to this rule, which we will learn about in a little bit. Notice that all of these endings appear in a column with the number first written at the top of it. First represents the declension of the noun. A declension just simply means that this is a particular group of nouns. You will know when a noun that you see on the vocabulary list belongs to this group or declension when you look at its genitive form. All nouns that have a genitive ending of AE belong to first declension, and therefore will use these endings when they are in sentences. Pause this video and examine the vocabulary list closely. Find all first declension nouns that are on the list. When you think you have found all of them, restart the video and check to see if your answers are correct. Remember that to determine the declension of a noun means that we have to look at the genitive ending. So all nouns with a genitive ending of AE belong to first declension. This means that when you write any of these nouns into Latin, or when you see any of them used in a Latin text, they will be written with the endings that are in the first declension column on your chart. All nouns in Latin also have a gender. Nouns that belong to first declension are feminine. There are some exceptions to that rule. We will talk about those later on. For now, understand that any first declension noun you see has a feminine gender. You will notice quickly that the meaning of the word has really nothing to do with the gender of the noun.